This computer, this Dell must has been 10 to 20 years old concerning its model. May not be 20 years, but it's a Dell Workstation Precision 470. It has a dual Xeon CPU, which is a first class in the Intel CPU in the Intel amongst the Intel CPU. Power supply is a big issue for this workstation. They always break. Most of them has already broken down. This video concerning the simple way to repair a failed power supply. The manufacturer deliberately caused this um, failure. I think they want the computer to go back to the surface, go back for a surface of some sort. Actually, it's very simple. I have a backup here. Over the year, I would I cannot figure it out what's wrong. I thought some DC um, chips or some converter, AC/DC converter has failed, but actually it is not. Last time I sent a whole power supply unit and pay for a little cost for it to repair, and they ship it back and it worked again, but after a while it failed again. You see this 24 pin, this power supply has both 20 pins and the 24 pins due to its dual CPU. 24 pins, you see a green wire. This is the clip. This is a very common method of powering up the power supply without the main board. It is said to be around the 14 to 16 pin in this case. They'll configure it the pin a little bit differently. So we have the green wire. This normally is to power up the power supply without the main board. The green wire is actually the signal for the turn on switch for the power supply, turn it on and turn it off, which is around if you count it down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, around the 14 to 16 pins. The green wire, you will use a small jumper. The green wire jump to the negative, which is next to it, the black wire. While power on, this will turn on your power supply, which will turn on your dead power supply. You will turn the power supply back on. Once it's back on, it's go back to normal. So the workstation come alive again with power. Without doing so, you will hear the beep beep sound. The actual cause is very complicated. Perhaps due to an internal counter, or perhaps due to a power surge, and are all complex reasons that the power supply for no reason quit working. So you might think it's a battery, and if you if you if you would not know how to repair the whole computer, we just lay down waste. And this simple way can can save not one, two power supply. It used to cost a lot of time consuming efforts to ship it back and forth for repair, and they were sad. It it I cannot imagine the solution would be so simple with just a simple jumper to turn it on manually, and that's it. It's a mystery for so many years. Now it's solved.